Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone battery percentage setting. How can we off battery show percentage in our Samsung mobile? Friends, you want to off guys your battery percentage setting. So how can you off in your Samsung phone? In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how to off battery show percentage. Open your phone setting and guys scroll. As you can see notification setting guys, tap here. Again scroll. Advanced setting guys, you can see in your Samsung phone. So I click here. As you can see your show battery percentage guys, tap here the right side to off your battery show percent. As you can see your battery show percentage will off in your Samsung phone guys. You cannot see how much battery you have in your phone on your screen. So as you want to off guys your battery percentage, you can off in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.